welcome to our blog. The first idea was to prepare some breakfast and tea as we are very hungry. Our tea is ready. Now let's prepare our breakfast. In breakfast we'll having some sweet buns with jam together with omelette grated with cheese and vegetables. This is a very nice breakfast. Let us enjoy this breakfast. Very hungry. In fact, it's a late breakfast. Sweet buns that we have prepared at our home. This is not a purchased bun. If you like to see how to prepare this bun, you can see our other channel, that is Monica's Kitchen, where you will find all the details how to prepare these buns. So we'll have this bun and freshly prepared omelette with vegetables.
আমি আজকে জঙ্গলের মাঝখানে রান্না করছি। দেখো চারিদিকে জুনপুট এই জায়গাটা। তো এখানে কি করব, চিকেন কারি। এই যে ছোট গ্যাস নিয়ে এসেছি, এই চিকেনটাকে ভেজে নিয়েছি। তারপরে এই মশলাগুলো সমস্ত, যেরকম চিকেনে যা মশলা দেয় সমস্ত দিয়ে, তারপরে এই ভাজা চিকেনটা টক দই দিয়ে একটু কমিয়ে দিয়েছি। তারপরে এই চিকেনগুলো দিয়ে এবার একটু নাড়িয়ে ছাড়িয়ে নেব। আর চিকেনটা সেদ্ধ হবে, একটু জল দেব, গরম জল। চিকেনটা সেদ্ধ হবে, তারপরে নামানোর আগে আমি পেঁয়াজ, ক্যাপসিকাম আর টমেটো দিয়ে দেবো।
Cooking has started. Chicken curry. We have prepared chicken curry. With that we'll have some rice. Rice अभी prepare नहीं किया हम लोगों ने. All this what we have carried with us. The ambience is very good, especially if you come non-weekdays. The rush is very less, so you can absolutely enjoy this peaceful environment. In fact, whenever we travel anywhere or practice from the last 1 year, we are carrying our own food with us, and we really find it's quite enjoying to prepare our own food and the go. It has two aspects. It saves money, because if you have going to have a chicken meal for 3, it will cost you good money. Not only that, you don't know what sort of food you are having outside, because not all the restaurants are hygienic. So hygiene is there. You can save money, and also you can have your food according to your choice. So from last 1 year we are carrying our own food with us, and we always prefer those hotels where they allow us to cook. And special thanks to the owner of this particular hotel, who has provided us a nice place where we can cook our own food. Cooking rice, dal boiled, dal prepared, rice prepared, chicken prepared. So today's lunch will be dal, rice and chicken curry. So lunch is ready. Dal, some salad. Instead of potato fry, we have taken chips, chicken curry, some curds also. After having our lunch, we took some rest and proceeded towards the namely 3 places which is near Junput Paki Guest House. First one will be the Bankiput Sea Beach, From Bankiput Sea Beach, we'll go to Doriapur Lighthouse. From Doriapur Lighthouse, we'll go to Petua Ghat, fishing harbour. Another hotel, that is Golden Shine, which was known as Jhinuk Residency previously. This is located in this particular point, and from here we are leaving towards Bankiput. We are on our way to Bankiput beach. I have parked my car over here, and from here you need to go upside. Actually, this is actually an embankment to protect the particular land area so that the sea don't touches, seawater doesn't comes inside. There is a staircase over there. We chose the afternoon. As you can see, the sea has receded far off. So this is, if you come during the tide, the seawater comes just up to this level. There you can see the level. In fact, it looks like a marshy land. It doesn't look like a sea at this moment. This is what Bankiput beach is. And during tide you can take bath. Normally this beach is famous for fishing. Our next destination is Doriapur Lighthouse. It is a place from where you can get some breathtaking views of this entire Junput area. So if you travel to Junput, you should definitely go to this particular Doriapur Lighthouse. This particular place is known as Doriapur, and there is a lighthouse. Let's see whether you are allowed to go inside or not. Yes, the ride is the ride is pretty grueling, you can understand, but still it's quite far off. In fact, if you see the other lighthouses in our Bay of Bengal, they are more or less around the sea beach, but here no such thing is found at this moment, but you get some breathtaking views, and it is open from till 5:30, and you have to pay 10 rupees to climb up to the top. কটা অবধি খোলা থাকে এটা? 5টা থেকে খোলে?
না 5:30 অবধি, এখন বেলা বড় বলে 5:30।
আচ্ছা। And the time to visit this particular lighthouse is from 4 o'clock to 5:30. So
ठंडी में 3 से 4:30।
ओ 3 से 4:30 तक
ठंडी में,
ठंडी का मौसम में। So that's all the information you want for this particular lighthouse. Fishing There is a ferry service from here to the other side of the river. There you can see the ferry. During tide, the water comes up to this level. You can easily understand by the stresses of water level found over here.
বন্ধ আছে না
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
এখন কম বডি
আচ্ছা
এখন সিজন চালু হয়ে যাবে ভর্তি হয়ে যাবে
সিজনটা কোন সময় হয়?
ওই আপনার একটা মে মাস একটা
হ্যাঁ
জানুয়ারি ফেব্রুয়ারি মার্চ এপ্রিল মে জুন মাসে 15 তারিখে
ও মানে বর্ষার সময় এটা চলে। আর
বর্তমান বন্ধ।
আচ্ছা, আর এই নদীটার কি নাম?
এটা পেটুয়া ঘাট।
ও পেটুয়া ঘাট নদী, পেটুয়া নদী কি? আচ্ছা, ও তার মানে এটার সাথে কি সমুদ্রের যোগ আছে? ও ওই সামনে গেলেই সমুদ্র,
পুরোটাই সমুদ্র।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
ও জাহাজটা যায় হলদের দিকে,
ও দেখা যায়। আচ্ছা, oh, this particular river is called the Petua river and this is called the Petua Ghat, and that is the main sea channel. Yes, I can see the lights of a far off a ship. There lies the shipping channel of Holdia. In fact, if you had come early in the morning, you would have been lucky to see some ships over here. So our day's sojourn ends, and stay tuned for the next episode to come. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.